2026 Toyota HiLux-Rugged-X is Toyota's most off-road focused Hilux in the new lineup. Rugged protection, the 2.8L turbo diesel, with available 48 VV active mild hybrid tech, factory recovery points, bash plate, and a beefy accessories package. The Kia Tasman-X-Pro is Kia's purpose-built pickup for adventurous buyers, a new entry ute with a proper low-range 4x4, electronic rear-diff lock, raised ride height/terrain mode and big-ute packaging. Both are credible off-road heroes. The Hilux brings tried-and-true durability and towing pedigree, while the Tasman brings modern tech, interior space, and a design-from-scratch pickup feel. Head-to-head, most important specs and capability. Powertrain and drivetrain. HiLux-Rugged-X, 2.8-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel across the range, 48-volt V-active mild hybrid assistance on higher grades, part-time 4x4 with low range on 4x4 models. Brake towing 3,500 kilograms. Tasman-X-Pro, diesel 4-cylinder, regional outputs vary. Kia places emphasis on a 2.2L turbo diesel in many markets, full-time/part-time 4x4 with a dedicated X-Pro off-road package, terrain/X-Trek modes, electronic rear-diff lock and an explicitly raised ride height for tougher terrain. Kia positions X-Pro as the off-road specialist in the Tasman range. Off-road hardware. HiLux-Rugged-X, hoopless steel front bumper with integrated LED light bar, under front bash plate, front and rear rated recovery points, factory sports bar, bed liner, factory fitted protection and accessories for tough terrain. Tasman-X-Pro, increased ground clearance, tuned suspension for off-road, dedicated terrain/X-Pro modes, low-range transfer case and electronic diff control, more modern drivetrain features oriented to technical off-road driving. Towing/payload. HiLux-Rugged-X, typical brake towing 3,500 kilograms, industry standard for class. Payload varies by spec. Hilux has long history of high tow/payload capability. Tasman, Kia advertises strong towing capability, competitive for class, but exact max figures depend on market/engine. Independent reviews praise Tasman's load carrying and towing engineering. If towing maximums are critical for you, check the local spec sheet for exact numbers. Real-world strengths and weaknesses. Toyota HiLux-Rugged-X strengths. Proven durability, familiar 2.8 diesel and 3,500 kilograms tow rating, huge parts/service network in many markets. Rugged-X factory kit makes it hard wearing straight from the dealer. Weaknesses. The 2026 Hilux is an evolutionary update, not a full platform leap. Many core mechanical items are carryover. Expect conservative tech evolution rather than radical change. Kia Tasman-X-Pro strengths. Fresh design and platform intent, built as a pickup, modern cabin tech and surprisingly good ride/refinement for a body-on-frame truck. X-Pro's low range, electronic diff, and tuned suspension make it very capable in technical off-road driving. Reviewers note refined driving manners. Weaknesses. New model long-term durability and dealer/service coverage may lag Toyota in some regions. Power output of the available diesel, example 2.2L, is competent, but reviewers sometimes wish for more torque/power relative to the Hilux's familiar 2.8. Who should pick which? Pick the HiLux-Rugged-X if you want an off-road ready ute with proven durability, predictable resale and class-leading towing pedigree, plus factory-fitted protection and accessories straight from Toyota's lineup. Great if you work in remote places or want a fit-and-forget hard-use truck. Pick the Tasman-X-Pro if you prioritize modern comfort, interior space, and the latest off-road electronics, low range, electronic diff, terrain modes, and you like the idea of a purpose-built new pickup with contemporary styling and features. Good if you want tech plus capability and don't rely on decades-old Toyota service coverage. Bottom line, short verdict. Both trucks are legitimate off-road heroes. HiLux-Rugged-X wins on legacy, towing, and dealer confidence. Kia Tasman-X-Pro wins on modern design, interior tech, and terrain-focused drivetrain features. Your choice should hinge on whether you value Toyota's proven reliability and towing pedigree more than Kia's fresh engineering and on-road refinement. If you want, I can pull together a side-by-side spec table for the exact market you care about, Australia, Indonesia, Middle East, etc., and include exact numbers, wheelbase, ground clearance, power/torque, towing, Payload, price. Or give a checklist of which features to test drive to decide between them, example low range feel, diff lock operation, approach/departure angles, recovery points, dealer network.